Welcome back. We're almost at the end of our show, but not to worry. We're heading to all things fun and youthful. Here's a glimpse of the all-new Junior RJ auditions by Chennai Live 104.8 FM. Spencer's Plaza was the venue and Chennai Live was the reason to be there. Young kids between the age group of 10 to 14 gathered together to compete and win a chance to be a radio jockey.
We've been looking for junior RJs. We have a brand new show. It airs every Saturday between 10 and 11 on Chennai Live 104.8 FM. So we are looking for these young, budding, kids who really like talking and want to be RJs.
From a group of 15 kids, only 7 reached the finals, battling it out for the junior RJ title.
First of all, we really need confidence, and you don't really feel it tough if you just come to enjoy, and I've just come to chill out, so it doesn't really feel tough. I've just come here to enjoy. It doesn't make a difference.
These enthusiastic children will feature their voices every Saturday for many weeks to come. So turn on those radios and listen in for them. It's now time to listen to someone never heard before in Chennai. And she came to us all the way from Pakistan. A divine voice that's both reviving and meditative. Here's Abida Parveen. The music of the Hindus' November Fest certainly began with Abida Parveen, who presented us her Sufi renditions this Tuesday. She has been celebrated world over for her rousing style of Sufyana Kalam and devotional music of Muslim spirituals.
स्पिरिचुअलिज्म है, जो सेंट्स के कलाम हैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो खुद ब खुद जो है रूह और दिल की वो एक जो दुनिया है उसको वो आबाद करते हैं। और खुदा तो एक कैफियत का नाम है, जो ट्रांस में ले जाती है। जो कलाम है वो ट्रांस में ले जाता है बंदे को जहाँ उसका मकाम है, क्योंकि दिल, अल्लाह कहाँ रहता है? दिल में। और रूह जब दिल में आता है तो बस वो उड़ान चाहता है कि मैं उधर ही रहूं जहां खुदा रहता है।
The Music Academy resounded with the richness of Abida's voice, accompanied by her brilliant musicians.
जब तक बिका न था, जब तक बिका न था, तो कोई पूछता न था। जब तक बिका न था, तो कोई पूछता न था। तूने मुझे खरीद के अनमोल कर दिया। अली मौला मौला, अली मौला मौला, अली मौला मौला, अली 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 मौला मौला।
Over the next 6 days, we have 6 concerts, 6 back-to-back concerts, which music that is eclectic, that comes from all over the world, and which reflects actually the philosophy of the November Fest, which is to bring varieties of music to Chennai, which is new, which is unfamiliar in fact.
Her style of music comes from deep within her faith of peace and passion.
this festival, especially November festival, brings in something very different from what we are used to. The December festival is something we all love, but it's something which goes on every year and it's the same thing. But this is something different, fresh, and I think Chennai really loves it. You can see it from the full house. It's an amazing voice, so deep and so rich and so beautiful. I mean, it's an experience. The only thing I mean, today I was just feeling I hope I could understand a little more.
I've heard a lot about Abida Parveen. Sufi music is new to me. This is the first time I'm really listening to Sufi music. It's really nice, very soothing, very interesting. People in Chennai are really enjoying it. We don't understand, or rather I don't understand what exactly the meaning is, but it's really soothing, very melodious.
The November Fest continues its varied musical presentations till the end of this week. Abida said to me that music is an abode of God, and if God enters your heart, then you will sing through His voice. I'll neither forget her words nor her music. Well, we've come to the end of our show. So if you'd like to voice your views on Shift Focus, do write into feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. I'll be back soon with a whole load of events that'll keep you totally zoned in. See you next week.